it's Suhaima Bangara and today we will learn English subject, first standard, second lesson, nature. Let's begin. Kids, had you learned yesterday I teach you? What was the name of that lesson? Very good. A happy song. Do you love that song? Very good. You have to read it every day so you will be happy. Today we will learn about nature. It's a very nice poem. Let's start. Let's sing it first. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever free. Wow, it's a pleasant song. Do you enjoy? I enjoy. Let me explain you. Nature is might. It means nature is very might. It means nature is very big. You know? Yes. Nature is strong. Yeah, nature is strong as Superman. Nature is beauty. Nature is very beautiful. Nature is moody. Nature also has a mood as you. When you are happy, sad, angry, and also nature also has a mood as rainy, summer, winter. Okay? And the second stanza says, nature is smart. You are smart. Nature is also smart. Nature is blue. Here poet give two colors about the nature. The main colors of nature. Nature is blue. Where is blue in nature? Yes, in the sky. Sky is blue. Nature is green. Nature has also green color. Which is that? Very good. It's tree and leaves. And nature is true. Nature never lie about his season and mood. Nature is very true. Nature is you. Nature is me. You are a nature. I am also a nature. We are nature. Nature will forever be free. No one can control nature. Nature is always free. You know, no one can control it. Let's read this. Look and say. Nature. 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 Might. 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 Strong. 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 Beauty. 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 Moody. Moody. Smart. 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 Blue. 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 Green. 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 True. True. Ever. Ever. Free. Free. Now tell me, which part of nature you love? I love many things as sun, moon, rainbow. What do you like? Very good. Here is written, describe the thing you see in the picture. What do you see in the picture? Trees, sky, rainbow, clouds, sun, river, mountains, birds, and flowers. Good. Here is also written, tell about the following things. Can you tell about? Let's see. Tree. Tell me something about tree. Tree is green. Tree is might. Tree can give us oxygen. Tree gives us to eat fruits every day. It's too healthy. Okay? And flowers. Flowers are beautiful. Flowers are colorful. Flowers are tiny, and flowers also have leaves. Flowers have petals. Look, this is petals. Okay? Third is bird. Bird can fly high in the sky. Bird also has many colors. Okay? Do you know any bird? It's crow, pigeon, peacock, and sparrow. Sparrow is very small. Let's sing the song one more time. Okay? Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature be forever free. Yay! Bye bye! Meet you in the next class.